A couple look at a messy list of expenses on a kitchen table. If you want AI to help you build a simple budget without making you feel bad, this is the prompt to copy. It's on screen in this video, and it actually gives you something usable. Most people type something like "make me a budget." Then they get a bland template that doesn't fit real life, real bills, or uneven income. That happens because the AI has to guess. It doesn't know your goal, your spending limits, or how you want the answer organized. When the input is vague, the plan usually comes back vague too. A better prompt asks for a few real details: your monthly take-home income range, your fixed bills, your savings goal, your problem areas, and the format you want, like weekly targets or spending categories. Here's the prompt. Pause when it appears, fill in the brackets, and make it yours. Act as a practical budgeting coach for a beginner and help me build a simple monthly budget using details like income range, fixed expenses, etc. Do not shame me and do not assume perfect habits or exact numbers. If anything important is missing, ask up to 5 clarifying questions. Then give me a simple category budget, weekly spending targets, 3 ways to cut costs gently, and 1 small habit to try this month. This works because it gives the AI a role, your real limits, and the tone you want. It also tells the AI to ask questions first if needed, which usually leads to a more realistic budget instead of a lecture. Use ranges and categories, not account numbers or anything private. Then review the budget yourself. Make sure the totals make sense, the cuts feel realistic, and the plan fits your actual life. The big lesson is simple. Tell the AI your limits, not just your goal. That's what turns a generic answer into a budget you might actually use. Remember, give the AI your income range, bills, goals, and trouble spots. Ask it to clarify before building the budget. Review the numbers and make the final call yourself. If this helped, subscribe to AI Can Help. One prompt, better results. What should we write next?